Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Workers Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Happy Monday, guys. Or whenever day you're watching it, happy that day. Alright, so today we're there with Vybz Kartel with another throwback. Vybz Kartel with Translator. So a lot of people, I'm sure, hear this on TikTok, but them don't know what the song is, or which song it is, or which rhythm, or whatever. I'm here to tell you that it's Vybz Kartel Translator, and that is the song that you've been seeing on TikTok. The rhythm name that is on. Let me tell you the rhythm name quickly. Come have it in on my phone. Rhythm name is, and when that song you play, when I go say, oh yeah, that's a song them attack. Yeah, Pearl Harbor rhythm. Pearl Harbor, HAABH, Pearl Harbor rhythm. So we're gonna jump in the one here and hear where the teacher office said about that one. You see me? Let's go. Throwback. Let's go. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica _verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Translator.
Up to the time.
You know it now, right?
You know it's a translator.
One of us here on TikTok, right?
Right away. See me, sir. We got girl. You know we got girl. Right around the world.
Right around the world.
Hey.
Remember, same got girl all around the world. And in addition, see Tokyo, London, New York, and Kingston with different time zone. So I'm going to say up to the time. So from them time, up to the time album.
You know we got girl. Right around the world. Hey, you know what she said? She want shatter, she no want Harry Potter. She want hood fire, cause hood fire hotter.
A long time them a sing say bad man in she like that, you know. But them just turn it round, you know. Yeah, she want shatter. She no want Harry Potter. Remember I said the people them class Harry Potter as a nerd. No, she want shatter. She no want Harry Potter. She want hood fire, cause hood fire hotter. Hood fire hotter than stove. Hood fire hotter than stove. Yeah, outside fire hotter than stove.
Right around the world.
That she want.
Hey, you know what she said?
What she said?
She want shatter.
Yeah.
She no want Harry Potter. She want hood fire, cause hood fire hotter. If I late in the night, she no really matter. Early morning, when I eye them full of matter.
It no matter what time of the day. It no matter what time of the night. She want it. Late at night or early in the morning, she wants it.
Fire hotter. If I late in the night, she no really matter. Early morning, when I eye them full of matter. Watch out, pussy fat and it'll get fatter. When she get the cocky, we bust like copper. It's like she get in a spirit and she a chatter. Like she come from Baghdad or Osaka.
Like she come from Baghdad or Osaka. Osaka is a Japanese island. Osaka is an island. Osaka is a city on a Japanese island called Honshu. Yeah. Osaka is a city on a Japanese island called Honshu. So from Baghdad to Osaka, yeah.
Like copper, it's like she get in a spirit and she a chatter.
Like she come from Baghdad or Osaka. She said,
see your sister, baby.
what you say?
Know where you got through.
Want to listen carefully to the ad-libs them in another song here. Kartel speak to himself in another song here a lot. What y'all say? What she say? What she say? Listen to it. Listen.
See your sister, baby. Know where you got through. More time, you want it and him no want give it, no true.
Hey, baby, me know where you got through. More time you want it and him no want give it, no true. Boy, drop asleep. Boy, him tired from work. Hey, boy! Liam.
More time, you want it and him no want give it, no true.
Boy, Liam. Hey,
you know you
baby.
Man like me, I'll give it to you for free.
Give it to you for free. Hey.
She want gangsta, she no want silly billy. She want a man with a jacama with chili.
Him go again and turn on the first line. You see me? She want shatter. She no want Harry Potter. Him say no. She want gangster. She no want silly billy. Yes. So him I tell you, I just the category there a G she want. Yeah, gangster, shatter, all of it.
She want gangsta,
She no want silly billy. She want
a man with a jackhammer with chili chili. She said the weird man rich him have 3 billy. Back book big like the wheel in a free willy.
She said the weird man rich him have 3 billy. 3 billfold. 3 wallet. Yeah. Bank book thick like the wheel in a free willy. Watch a movie there. Big free willy, that the big wheel.
Chili chili. She said the weird man rich him have 3 billy. Back book big like the wheel in a free willy. What? She said the brother ever sicky and him licky when him fi dicky.
Brother ever sicky. Belly always a hurt him. Head always a hurt him. Sicky. Always a flu. Always a blow nose. Excuse me, my makeup. Yeah. In licky when if sticky. Yeah. One on nature and waist, nature and face. Eh?
Na free willy. What? She said the brother ever sicky and him licky when him fi dicky. Me fuck a hard and come pan the titi. What a calamity titi.
Fuck a hard and come pan the breast. On the titty, on the boobs.
Me fuck a hard and come pan the titi. What a calamity titi. She said, no baby, you can even come over to my house. You ain't got to hide like it's
Big drop.
cat and mouse.
Big drop. Big drop. What you say? Yeah, I'm saying this.
What you say?
See me say. What you say?
Like it's a game, cat and mouse.
What you say?
Transelator's back.
Translator is back. Hey, what she want?
She want Vogue. She no want Mr. Bean. None of us where you fi walk with Listerine.
She want thugs. She no want Mr. Bean. So we say she want Shatter. She want gangster. She want thugs. She no want Mr. Beans. She no want Harry Potter. No. She no want a nerd.
She want Vogue.
She no want Mr. Bean. She want
a Bowers where you fi walk with Listerine.
She want a Bowers where you walk with Listerine. Yeah, can I remember saying about that? Yeah, let's go.
She want Vogue.
She no want Mr. Bean. She want
a Bowers where you fi walk with Listerine. She want float when the dick stabby. She tell me she do a want wake up if it's a dream. The boy.
Yeah. She want float when it stabbing. Yeah. That she want. She want float when the dick stabbing. Yes, me say it.
She want Vogue.
She no want Mr. Bean. She want
a Bowers where you fi walk with Listerine. She want float when the dick stabby. She tell me she do a want wake up if it's a dream.
She don't want wake up. If it's a dream, she don't want wake up because she's loving it. She's loving it. Yeah.
Listerine. She want float when the dick stabby. She tell me she do a want wake up if it's a dream. The boy used to this dropping. Love him half mad and him a tour popping. Him smoke.
The boy used to this her and cheat her bad brother. Now him half mad and him a tour popping. I walk up and down half naked pan road barefoot. Yeah.
The boy used to this dropping. Love him half mad and him a tour popping. Him smoke nicotine, drink caffeine. When him find out how my youth kind of think I feel.
You see where madam? You see where madam? Him think him get a youth with her, but it wasn't female, it was cartel youth. So that madam, that driving off man trip crazy in a real life, you know, dog. Man of mine pitney think I feed them pitney, it's not feed them pitney, you know. You see me? Be a caffeine him a taking, be a smoking, be a drinking of coffee, cause him can't take it now. It send him off the race, it send him mad. Eh?
Him smoke nicotine, drink caffeine. When him find out how my youth kind of think I feel. She said.
What she said? See me, you say. Up to the time.
See me, you say. Report more. Kingston. Representer. Intend the girls placenta.
Hey.
She want Shatter. She no want Harry Potter. She want wood fire. Cause wood fire hotter. If I late na the night, she no really matter. Early morn when I ride them full of matter. Water. Pussy fatter, little get fatter. When she get the cocky we bust like copper. It like she get in a spirit and a chatter. Like she come from Baghdad or Osaka.
But you can't say me no introduce you to that one here. But you can't say me no make you know the name to that one here.
I don't think you can use another man fat and Friday.
Hey!
No, she said she want gangsta, she no want silly billy. She want a man with the jackhammer with chili. She said the weird man rich him have 3 billy. Back book big like the wheel in a free billy. But she said the brother ever sicky and him licky when him fi dicky. Me fuck a hard and come pan the titi. She said what's takala me titi. She said.
What she said?
You know, timeless.
See me and say, up to the time. You know it's Vybz Kartel.
A little bit over to the left.
Hey!
She want Vogue. She know want Mr. Bean. She wanna go as where you fi walk with Listerine. She want float when the dick stabil. She tell me she do a want wake up if it's a dream.
Hey.
Before I used to this oh drop in. Now we mad and him a tour papi. Him smoke nicotine, drink coffee.
When him find out
my youth, I'm the thing.
think coffee.
Get on for 15.
You can't say me not make you know the name to that one. Most of you. Most of you never know the name. Most of you see the song on TikTok. I don't know. Say it. But I'm here. Yeah. I'm here. Anyway. That was Vybz Kartel, Translator. I think that one was on the Up to the Time rhythm. Up to the Time album, if I'm not lying. I can't remember. But this one has been out for quite a while now. On the Pearl Harbor rhythm. PEARLHAABAAH rhythm, Pearl Harbor rhythm. There's more songs on the rhythm as well, so you can check out the rhythm. But yeah, big up the teacher. One of the classic them. So TikTok, I run it now, which is good. Alright? So this time I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more throwback, click any one of them thing up on the screen. I want to see more throwback from the teacher. Alright? Peace!
Jamaica's worst gamer.